Good night, my name is Samuel Gomez. Today I will present activity 4 of the Sourcers. Introduction. Today I am going to show you a variety of products and their prices in a store I frequently visit. The store is called Alcomprar and it's known for its wide range of products and affordable price. As you can see, there is a fantastic selection of products including electronics, clothing, and household items. First, we have a smartwatch priced at 203,200. Next, we have a stylish handbag for online 121,900. Moving on, there is a blender available for 162,550. And my opinion, these prices are quite affordable, especially considering the quality of the products. For instance, the smartwatch is still at 203,200, given its features and functionalities. In conclusion, iCompare offers a diverse range of products at reasonable price. I highly recommend checking out the store for great deals on various items. Thanks, bye.